Are you looking for the best antennas for handheld ham radio? Check out our top 5 picks. These swings are sure best antennas for handheld ham radio, and they're all available at great prices. So let's get started.
Product number 1. Authentic, genuine Nagoya NA-771 15.6-inch whip VHF UHF 144 430 MHz antenna SMA female for B-Tech. Enhanced signal strength. The Nagoya NA-771 dual-band amateur antenna offers a notable performance increase with a gain of up to 3 dBi. This enhancement ensures a powerful boost to your radio's signal strength, providing clearer and more reliable communication. Rugged and flexible design. This 15.6-inch standard whip antenna is crafted to withstand the challenges of nature. Its soft yet durable flexibility makes it far superior to OEM radio antennas, perfect for outdoor and camping activities.
Product number 2. Abbree SMA Female Ham Radio Experience Abbree SMA Female Ham Radio Antenna VHF/UHF 18.8-inch 144/430 MHz high gain foldable CS tactical antenna for Baofeng UV5R BF F8HP Pro 5RM K5 Plus GM21 AR152 Quansheng K6 UVK5 8 radio accessories. Connector type SMA female. Gain 2.15 dBi. Frequency 144/430 MHz.
Product number 3. Bingfu dual-band VHF UHF. Experience Bingfu dual-band VHF UHF 136 to 520 MHz 42.5-inch foldable CS tactical SMA female ham radio antenna for Wosan, Baofeng, BF FHP, UV5R, UV82, BF Nash 888S, GT3 handheld ham two-way radio walkie-talkie. Foldable CS tactical ham radio antenna. Frequency range VHF UHF 136 to 520 MHz. Gain 3.5 dBi. Direction omnidirectional. Impedance 50 ohm. Max input power 8 watts. Antenna length 42.5-inch or 108 centimeters. Package list: 1 foldable CS tactical antenna as the picture shown. Compatible with ham radio: Baofeng UV5R, UV5RA, UV5RE, BF FHP, BF-8UV, UV82, BF888S, BF88A, UV5X3, UV5RM, UV9R, BF666, BF777, BF320, BF480, BF490, BFV6, BFV8, BFF9, BFF+, BF388A, GT3, UV5RB, UV5RC, UV5RD, UV5RE+, UV5RG, UV5RQ, UV5RT, UV5S, UVB5, UVB6, etc.
Product number 4. Telescopic 70-100 MHz SMA. Experience Telescopic 70-100 MHz SMA-F wideband broadband antenna for handheld ham radio two-way radios. Antenna, maximum input power 20 watts. Connector, SMA female. Net weight 65 grams.
Product number 5. Bingfu dual-band VHF UHF. Experience Bingfu dual-band VHF UHF 136 to 174 MHz 400 to 470 MHz ham radio antenna handheld two-way radio walkie-talkie SMA female soft antenna 2-pack for Wowson Baofeng BF F8HP UV5R UV82 BF 888S GT3. Frequency range VHF 136 to 174 MHz, UHF 400 to 470 MHz, gain 3 dBi, direction omnidirectional, package list 2 antenna as the picture shown, compatible with ham radio, Baofeng UV5R, UV5RA, UV5E, BF-F8HP, BF-F8, UV82, BF82HP, BF888S, BF880A, UV5X3, UV5RM, UV9R, BF666, BF777, BF320, BF480, BF490, BFV6, BFV8, BFF9, BFF8+, BF388A, GT3, UV5RB, UV5RC, UV5RD, UV5RE+, UV5RG, UV5RQ, UV5RT, UV5S, UV5U, UVB5, UVB6.